Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a compact tracker rated IP67 or higher and charging it fully. This prevents interruptions during installation. Once done, insert the SIM or activate the plan and confirm a stable location ping in the app. Next, pick an unobtrusive mounting point near the frame or under the seat where signal is still good. Make sure to have zip ties, foam padding, double-sided tape, and a small screwdriver on hand before you proceed to mounting. Now mount the tracker using foam padding to isolate vibrations and double-sided tape to hold it while you secure it. Once positioned, run the antenna and any wiring along the frame underside, following existing cable routes so it stays hidden and protected. Make sure to secure the unit with low-profile zip ties every 3 to 4 inches. This keeps it from shifting. Finally, orient the antenna away from dense metal parts to preserve reception, and neatly trim any excess tie. Finish by powering on and verifying live tracking while you ride a short loop of 0.5 mile to 1 mile. Confirm update frequency and geofence alerts work. Once satisfied, lock the unit with tamper-resistant screws or a bit of epoxy for permanence, then hide it inside a seat bag or under frame tape to avoid detection. If you lose signal, move the antenna to a slightly higher or less metal-obstructed spot and retest. If problems persist, try a SIM swap or perform a factory reset.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.